Alright, so now you might have to use both of the theorems together. So in this scenario, we've got one triangle, but in this triangle, we could split it up into two separate triangles. So what I like to do is just kind of rewrite them so that way I can see what's going on. So I've got my blue triangle and I've got my green triangle. So here's my blue one. And I'm going to write in the pieces. So this is 4 square root of 3. This was my right angle. This was labeled A and that was labeled C. And that's 60 degrees. So then I'm going to go ahead and do my green triangle. That's my right angle, 45, 45. And then this was A, B, and D. So for the blue one, I think I'm going to do that one first because I actually have a measurement there that I can go off of. So remember, for a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse, which is my 4 square root of 3, is going to be 2 times my shorter side, which this one is my shorter side. This one is my longer side. So C is my short side. So hypotenuse equals 2 times the short. Well, hypotenuse is 4 square root of 3, 2 times C, divide by 2, and I get 2 square root of 3 is equal to C. So I'm going to go ahead and write this in, 2 square root of 3. Now remember, the longer side is equal to the square root of 3 times my shorter side. Well, now I know my shorter side is 2 square root of 3, so the longer side is A. This is square root of 3 times 2 square root of 3. So what I end up getting there is A is equal to 6, because square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. So A is 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that over into my green triangle now because A is the same. So since that's 6 in both spots, I can go ahead and now work on my 45, 45, 90 triangle. So since A is 6, D is 6. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down and square it because since they're both legs in a 45, 90, they have to be the same. And my B is my hypotenuse. So remember, the hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 2 times the leg. Well, I can do that. Hypotenuse is my B, square root of 2, and then my leg is 6. So what I get is B is equal to 6 times the square root of 2. And I just like to write it in on my picture just so we can see what happened there. So those are my 4 sides that I was able to find. Take it piece by piece, draw separate pictures, and remember these 3 equations, that the hypotenuse is equal to 2 times the short, the longer is equal to the square root of 3 times the short for a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And then for a 45, 45, 90, you need to use hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 2 times the leg. Those 3 circled equations you should know, and I would definitely make sure to write them down in your notes, and because you're going to be using them frequently.